Hello iPhone users, to lock a note on your iPhone, I will show you how you have to do that. For that, you have to open the notes, right? And you have to tap on any note. It can be written anything on it, right? And now when you will tap on the note which you want to lock, you have to, tap on the three dots above, which you can see right beside the tick option in the yellow, right? So the three dots are from where you can turn on the lock option, right? So here you can see it is written lock the right option, and see here it has asked you to use your iPhone passcode, which I have not added, and you can also create a separate password which you can remember for the logged note, right? So here I'm using my passcode of my phone, and I can use to enable the Face ID, right? And the C option above of locking is there, that this note is locked. You can turn it on by tapping on it, and see the unlock option is also there. You can remove the log note right away by tapping on it, and instantly it will be activated if you tap on the same option, because it was already logged once, and the whole process has been done. So that's how we add the lock option to any note, and you can do it for other notes as well. You can have a separate password, which I will show you in the other video. See you next video. Ta-da.